Hello there, my name is Michael Klepik. I'm the director of the company Torch Air. Our company produces equipment for workplace aspiration, dust cleaning, gas cleaning, and water cleaning. Today, we're going to talk about the TYPHOON Foam Scrubber. Here it is. The TYPHOON Scrubber is a type of scrubber known as a foam scrubber. What does this mean? It means that a dust component or a gas component is retained on the foam, located inside this scrubber, that is, on the developed foam surface. The foam surface may be formed by water or another liquid, such as water mixed with alkali. The foam surface type depends on the gas you freed and the particular gas components which are to be entrapped. What are the components of the TYPHOON Foam Scrubber? The TYPHOON Foam Scrubber consists of a recycling water tank. Here it is at the bottom. This is the scrubber component. The tank has a gas inlet flange and a special hatch for draining pulp or discarding sludge from the tank. The tank bottom is sloped a little. This means that if we drain any sludge or water, this can all be performed by gravity, aided by special connections, with the pump not running naturally. Inside the column, where the foam layer is formed, so here what we see are windows which are used to inspect the columns. And here is what we refer to as a perforated grid, where a foam layer is formed. The grid is installed inside the column. There is also a special stabilization grid which serves as means to increase the volume of the foam layer. Thus, I'm going to demonstrate a small cross-section of our test piece and describe the operating principle of the perforated grid and the stabilization grid, where the foam layer is formed. We have several types of grids. You should choose the appropriate one, taking into account gas flow concentration, temperature, and the compounds which fly in tandem with the gas flow. Also here, we can see a water line connected to the sprinkler nozzle. The nozzle sprays all the scrubber's internal parts and supplies the water required to form the foam. A special lamellar drip eliminator is installed at the bottom. It is the most effective drip eliminator to date. It minimizes moisture release from the scrubber. This means that moisture remains inside the scrubber, flows through into the circulation tank, and back once again for sprinkling. What are the advantages of this scrubber? Basically, out of all existing scrubbers, foam scrubbers are actually the most effective solution for gas cleaning, for cleaning to remove dust particles. That's for most scrubbers in theory. Does this scrubber have any disadvantages? The disadvantage is its high resistance to airflow. A standard resistance to airflow may be equal to 3,000 PA, or it may even reach 5,000 PA, depending on the operating mode at which the foam scrubber performs. So let's say the scrubber has a capacity of 6,000 to 9,000 meter cubed of air per hour, and a certain aerodynamic curve matching an increased or decreased resistance to airflow may be plotted for this scrubber, depending on the amount of contamination. Here is its disadvantage. But on the other hand, the scrubber guarantees tremendous gas cleaning efficiency, despite its resistance to airflow. I've tried to explain the topic in as much detail as possible, but it's quite complicated. If you need a foam gas cleaning solution or just a gas cleaning solution in general, please don't hesitate to ask. We'll individually calculate the gas cleaning system which is suitable for you and pick out exactly what you need. Don't hesitate to ask, we're here to help.